you can reduce your electricity bills in running your split air conditioner by smartly running your air conditioner. Let us see how this can be done and how to reduce our electricity bills, say by around 1000 rupees per month, and almost around 30% energy savings we can achieve by our existing air conditioners. To generally say the breakup of our domestic electric consumption, almost we are talking about the houses or flats or residences where do they have the air conditioners where they consume almost 20 units per day. Say 15 to 20 units per day in any of the residence or where the split AC is installed in the premises, and almost 10 to 15 units is consumed for the air conditioner, and the rest of the consumption is towards the other appliances in the residence. And then comes the upper class where they consume more than 20 to 30 units, where they consume 2 plus more ACs as such. To know what we are consuming, Bureau of Energy Efficiency always says, let us monitor our electricity power or energy, then only we can target it to reduce the same. So first, either in your flat or in your house, just spend few minutes in front of your EB meter. Thanks to all the EB in all the states, many of our residences we are having this tri-vector EB meter, and we can see the digital input of what all the consumption that is happening in our house. To say the maximum consumption is from the AC, so we can just switch on the AC for 10 minutes or 30 minutes, just see the instant kilowatt, instant volts and amps and the kWh. So what is the units per hour your existing air conditioner is consuming, and what is it is as per the nameplate. Let us say your AC is running for 10 hours a day, including the day and night time, and the per hour consumption is around 1.3 kWh units, say daily, then you almost consume around 13 units per day and almost 390 units per month, and at the present rate of the EB tariff it's around 9 rupees, so around 3500 rupees for the AC only you are spending from your residential electricity bills, monthly electricity bills. How this can be addressed to? Always the air circulation, that is more important now than the air cooling, than the air conditioning. That is, we are giving the priority because this is consuming less. Say the air circulation consumes only 10 watts per square meter, whereas an air cooling consumes almost 40 watts per square meter. Whereas an air conditioning, which is trying to maintain the temperature and RH inside the premises, it consumes almost 200 watts per square meter. So the air conditioner almost consumes the 20 times that of the power of air circulation. So the smart way of our air conditioning usage in our split AC is to increase the air circulation and reduce the air conditioning. Automatically it gets reduced. Ultimately the human comfort is not compromised and we are able to maintain the human comfort, but still we are able to reduce our energy consumption. So how can we cut our electricity bills by smart running our AC? First is as I said before, the mild air circulation that needs to be superimposed on the air cooling by the air conditioner, and then this mild air circulation is possible by the latest BLDC fans or the low speed fans, whichever the old fans are there, but compared to the old fans, it is better to suit a BLDC fan in the air conditioning room, and definitely this facilitates the energy savings in the air conditioner as such. Say the temperature setting, now we are keeping around 18 degrees or 20 degrees. If you are able to set this temperature to 27 degrees with mild fan air breeze by the BLDC fan, 30% energy savings can be visualized. That's what we are going to discuss in length, and how the housekeeping of the air conditioner can be done to improve upon or to improvise upon further on the air conditioning as such. Apart from the temperature setting of the air conditioner, the latest air conditioners, they have a lot of smart modes that is available, either the sleep mode, which automatically adjusts the temperature of the air conditioner during the night, and it prevents the overcooling of the air conditioner and thus saves power whenever you are during the sleep. Normally people use the timer mode also, where you can just set your timer in the AC, say 4 hours or 5 hours, and after 3 hours it will switch off by itself automatically after few hours. And this idea is to keep you feel asleep even when the AC is on, but still the air conditioning effect is maintained there, sustained there in your premises as such. The eco mode, normally it is operated during the daytime. It maintains the moderate cooling at reduced compressor usage, and it consumes less power only, and it is very perfect for the mild summer days. Thanks to the Voltas air conditioners who have given these energy saving tips, and many of the air conditioning OEMs are giving the energy saving tips. Definitely you can go through it, and whatever that is possible from your end, you can definitely do it as such. What I am suggesting is, Bureau of Energy Efficiency always says target your energy reduction by only monitoring the same. So a simple gadget of a run-hour meter and a kWh meter, it's an ISI certified kWh meter only. It's normally we use it for our sub meters in all our residences. This will cost just less than around 1000 rupees, both combined together. And if you see, if the AC runs for, say, let us say for 10 hours, it consumes around 130 units means, so you know per hour it's around 1.3 kWh, and you can refer the AC nameplate, and what is the AC nameplate reference and what is the consumption, and whatever is the deviation, whatever it is high or low, that shows the AC efficiency, daily running efficiency on your system as such. This run-hour meter and this kWh meter, let us say our AC, you are using the AC at 18 degrees, you are using the AC at 27 degrees settings. If you see, by keeping at the AC at 18 degrees, you just record the run-hour, say for a day only, I am just suggesting. Based on the recording of the kWh and the run-hour meetings, you will come to know at 18 degrees your AC consumes 1.3 kWh units. For 10 hours, almost it consumes around 130 units, almost around 117 rupees per day. Tomorrow, you just change the setting to 27 degrees and you run it for the whole day at 27 degrees. Let us say the same AC unit consumes 1.3 kWh, but for only 7 hours, because the 30% reduction is possible. That's what I am going to discuss in later as such. Into this, almost it consumes only around, consumes around 80 units per day, and around 82 rupees only is the consumption per this one. That is, the consumption comes down by 9 units, and around 82 rupees only the per day, it is the consumption as such. So you can confirm the savings in the AC right from day one, and then instead of waiting for the EB bill once in a month on the 15th of date, instead of that, daily, if you are able to take this daily or weekly or every time which is convenient to you, both the kWh meter and the run-hour meter, definitely you know at rupees 35 rupees per day saving, the monthly EB bill, your monthly EB bill can reduce by 1000 rupees. This is simply by adjusting the AC set temperature, and let us see how many more amount of reduction is possible by housekeeping of your AC as such. This is an excellent in-depth report by the TERI, the Energy and Resource Institute, along with Bureau of Energy Efficiency. It very clearly says that it's around 18 degrees if the AC is operated, it consumes almost 13 units per day for a running of 10 hours. And if the same AC unit is operated at 27 degrees, it consumes only 9 units per day. Almost 30% savings is possible, and definitely it is a proven track record, that is the case study given by the TERI and the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, and definitely up to from 18 to 24 degrees, for every 1 degree rise in temperature, setting temperature, you can see the 6 degrees, 6% the AC savings is there. From 18 to 24 degrees, you can see 6% per degree centigrade, and if from 24 to 27, it's almost 4%. This is what we wanted to achieve by keeping it at 27 degrees here as such. Bureau of Energy Efficiency always says you set your AC at 27 or 24 and more. And now we are suggesting why it is 27. We are coming in next few slides. And you can enjoy multiple benefits of maintaining the good health and saving of electricity, monthly saving of electricity, minimum 1000 rupees you can save on your existing single AC. And it reduces the carbon emissions for the country, for the nation, and it fights the climate change also as a whole towards the globe. Thanks to the Bureau of Energy Efficiency recommendations on the remote temperature setting, on the AC temperature setting of the air conditioners, you can keep the setting from 24 to 27, and this 4 degrees which you want to achieve for every 1 degree rise from 24 to 27, you can see the graph. It is excellently it is done, it is illustrated very well. You can see the yellow square where you can see the comfort zone, human comfort zone is very much achieved even at 27 degrees. This is what we just wanted to highlight, we wanted to assimilate, we wanted to digest this. Our human body can definitely maintain an excellent comfort zone at 27 degrees centigrade. And this needs to be done by all of us, especially throughout the summer, and it is good for us and for the nation also, thanks to the Bureau of Energy Efficiency and the Terry reports. Why it is suggested from 27 degrees and not 24 degrees here? Because a country like Japan already, almost many years back, they have already set their air conditioner, they have already given the guidance, and they have informed their citizens to maintain at 28 degrees only. And a state country like US, say in California, they are maintaining above 26 degrees, and in China as well. See, these are all the countries which we are doing it above, they are trying to maintain around 27 degrees. Then why not in India? We can also maintain our air conditioning room temperature at 27 degrees, and definitely it is a collective saving for each and every individual, it is for the society, and it is for the nation as such. This is the smart way of working in the existing air conditioner. One is the temperature setting, other one is going for the sleep mode or the timer mode or on the eco mode on the existing latest air conditioners. But many of our air conditioners, say decade-old air conditioners, which they didn't have this type of provisions there. Those air conditioners can also be made smart running by retrofitting this aircon saver. It is an intelligent air conditioning controller thanks to the AI that has come almost some 20 years back. Many of the corporates, many of the societies, many of the conglomerates, many are using this aircon saver retrofit to reduce their individual split AC air conditioning bills by 20 to 25%. It is a EEPROM based microcontroller. It is a gadget, and thanks to the AI that has been deployed almost some decades back, and it is able to intelligently control the air conditioner's running hours as such. It is ultimately reducing the running hours. It is costing around 5,000 rupees, and if you want to buy a 5-star AC, it is almost 40,000 rupees plus and plus. Whereas on your existing decade-old AC, if you are able to retrofit this aircon saver, definitely you can save around 20 to 25% instantly from the day one onwards. And you can plan for replacing your AC later. If your AC is gone totally inefficient, definitely you have to replace that. If the AC you are able to maintain, you are maintaining your AC by regularly, annually servicing your AC, and you are sustaining the efficiency of the existing AC of your decade-old AC, definitely this retrofit will definitely bring you almost 20 to 25%. With due promotion of this device in a mass scale, either by the OEMs on the existing, that is the non-inverter type air conditioners I am talking about, all the old type air conditioners, this can be an excellent retrofit, and if it is fitted in a mass scale in a OEMs or the retrofit OEMs, millions of air conditioners, non-inverter air conditioners can save around 20 to 25% energy savings. That is very much possible now, and proven track records are there. And all this temperature setting or all this intelligent air conditioner control, everything, the run hours everything is possible by the retrofit of a BLDC fan only. The BLDC fan, especially at 2 speed or 1 speed, which just consumes only 6 watts, but it gives a mild air breeze or a mild air throw on the user near the center of the room, and definitely this is saving compared to the conventional fan almost say 25 to say it is almost saving around 50% as well. But what we are more interested in this BLDC fan is it gives mild air breeze that is very much comforting the humans, especially when you are AC, you are using the air conditioner split AC. Apart from the split AC, this retrofit definitely helps you, this facilitates you to achieve that 20 to 30% of energy savings in your air conditioner as such. The graph definitely shows almost if your the BLDC fan when operated at say second speed, let us say, instead of a 400 rpm fan, it is operated around 150 rpm only. Mild flow of air is there, and definitely this is the human comfort is not compromised here. It definitely gives a breeze around the body whenever you are under the AC, and definitely this gives an excellent energy savings. This fan is giving an energy saving of 50%, and this is combined with an air conditioner split AC. It very much facilitates the energy savings from day one onwards as such. Apart from the housekeeping, see what all the outdoor AC what we have kept in the open terrace or in the common area under the sun, it is getting boiled. It is almost getting boiled under the sun. But thanks to the lot of e-commerce platforms, this type of weather shade is available, which you can buy it on e-commerce sites, and it costs around 500 to 1000 rupees only. You can just fit it on your outdoor AC. Definitely it reduces the air conditioning power, that is, it is able to restore or have a better heat transfer in your outdoor with the weather shade on the top of the AC. And the AC OEMs also can provide this as an accessory or an option. This retrofit can be done, or you can have a permanent shed, weatherproof shed over the air conditioner on the outdoor side or the open terrace side. Definitely up to 10% of energy savings. Many of the AC users have confirmed their energy savings after retrofitting this as such. Coming to the AC outdoor, why our AC outdoors are having say slight leak in this freon gas? See, right from day one when we are installing, or even if we have installed a decade old AC, still you can see the black rubber pads, anti-vibration rubber pads. It's just 1 inch by 1 inch. You can just install it at the bottom or the foot of the AC, so that the AC need not vibrate, or the vibration need not affect the AC performance, and the leakage need not be caused because of vibration in the AC. Because normally all the old ACs are all kept just directly flat under the surface, open terrace. This 2 inch by 2 inch anti-vibration rubber pad, that's available in the market, hardware market still available. You can just insert it on your AC legs, outdoor AC legs, and definitely it gives less vibration is very much reduced. And one of the reasons for your AC freon gas leak is because of the vibration that is there in the outdoor unit as such. Energy loss happens because why I am concentrating on the outdoor is the unit which is transferring the heat, and this is only boiling under the sun to maintain the freon compressor is working in the outdoor, so that it can maintain a excellent indoor temperature of around say 25 degrees or 27 degrees. So the velocity recovery ring, it is normally fitted in the outdoor package air conditioners, but now it has been tried in split AC also, thanks to our energy audit time. During the energy audit, we have noticed in the Ramco textile mills at Rajapalayam, and the energy loss happening in this transferring of hotter air to the surrounding air. This velocity recovery ring helps a lot. It facilitates the smooth flow of hot inside from the whatever the sucked hot air. It is able to move out smoothly, and definitely the heat transfer is better by this trivial retrofit on the outdoor unit as such. Coming to the freon pipings, and see what are all the freon pipings, that is the latest gen air conditioners. It is all done excellently by all the OEMs and their service providers. But our decade old ACs, our 5 years or 10 years old ACs, you can see the freon pipings, it's all insulation is gone, and at least see how to improve the AC daily efficiency of our AC. That is our main contention here. So if we are able to wrap with insulation, either if it is not in the whole total piping, at least whatever the piping that is left bare under the sun, and if it is totally enclosed, wrapped up and insulated, definitely this will improve the performance of the AC. And this you can see by the daily run hour and kWh hour, what is the reduction that is possible after giving a pakka insulation by the service providers. You can call the service provider and get it done. Also the electrical wiring also, it needs to be in a PVC sheathed flexible cable at the in a flexible conduit, so that in the open areas nothing can be under the sun. It automatically gets derated very faster and drastically it gets derated. Even the voltage stabilizer, many of the latest OEMs, what they are suggesting is, in the latest installations, to fix the voltage stabilizer near the air conditioner outdoor in such a way that it is kept under the shade, but it is able to give you a proper voltage of say around 230 volts to the split AC compressor, freon compressor. That is more important as such. Coming to the maintenance of the condenser and evaporator, the air conditioner outdoor air condenser, if it is a dirty, if it is a normal condenser, the kilowatt per ton is normal and it is excellent. If the dirty condenser is there, you can see the evaporation condensation temperature also. It's a case study by the National Productivity Council, and it's an excellent case study. It is meant for the packages, but still it can be definitely, you can draw a line to the split AC as well. A dirty consumer, almost it drops the that is the kilowatt per ton, increase in kilowatt per ton is around 20%. If it is a dirty evaporator inside the room at the indoor, it's almost 18%. So almost 40% the consumption goes up because of the dirty condenser and the evaporator. So annually the service provider has to do a service before the starting of summer, and once it is done, and normally depending on the condition of your location or the environment, you can do it either once before the summer, and after the summer is over also you can do it depending on your purse. But once in a while, once in a year, definitely the AC, your AC needs to be serviced, especially before the summer. Also, the do-it-yourself type exercises are employed by many of our citizens now. See, whatever the routine maintenance you can do for your outdoor AC, especially outdoor unit, you can buy an agro water sprayer from the agriculture hardware shops, and routinely you can say either it's weekly or monthly or once in a month or once in 2 months. Definitely you can clean the outdoor fins by just splashing the water with a detergent water first, and then later with a clean water, and make it dry it out for the day. After few hours you can use. The heat transfer fins need to be very clean, and it is clear of dust and dirt as such. Whatever is the indoor air conditioner filter that is there, you can see the clogged filter and the clean filter. Almost the clogged filter, the temperature goes down to 7 degrees, whereas a clean filter it's around 22 degrees, and it's almost up to 15% of energy consumption go up if it is a clogged filter in the indoor. So routinely clean your air conditioner either a week or a month depending on your usage. This cleaning of the filter at the indoor is definitely mandatory, and it needs to be done because it maintains the air. You can definitely see after cleaning your either outdoor cleaner or outdoor condenser or the indoor filter, you can see the run hours and the kWh hours. Definitely it comes down when you are normally running your AC as such. Thanks to all the state governments and central government, many of the government buildings and many of the public utility buildings, they have gone for this cool rooftop. This cool rooftop using this heat reflective paint on the open terrace, in terms of thermal emittance, solar reflectance and solar reflective index, it is a measure of emittance and reflectance, and definitely it can reduce the inside temperature from 34 degrees to 27 degrees. It is a proven case study, and many of the state governments, they have deployed this in many of the buildings, and Thousands and thousands of buildings or IT buildings or many of the commercial buildings have deployed this, and it is time the residential buildings also make use of it. Only thing, the branded heat reflective paint measures, they give almost for 5 years the life is there, and definitely you can once in 5 years you can replenish it, and definitely this definitely reduces your the KWH hours or the running hours on the daily usage of your AC as such. Ultimately, the trees definitely helps to reduce the ambient temperature as and when possible, wherever the space is there, wherever the location is there, whatever may be the location in and around your premises, definitely grow the trees. Definitely they adjust the temperature so that the air conditioning can be, I don't say it is needed, it is not needed. The air conditioner usage can be curbed as such, can be reduced. All these case studies I have discussed in my book, Energy Monitoring and Conservation Practices in Residential and Commercial Buildings. With lot of case studies, you can definitely go through it, and whatever the case study you have executed or implemented in your residence or in your commercial buildings, kindly share to the others. Sharing the knowledge, energy saving knowledge to others is saving energy for all of us as such. So ultimately you can reduce almost around 1000 rupees on your monthly electricity bills by smartly using your air conditioner as well as optimizing your AC set temperature. When others around you in the city or in the society are tolerating this 40 degrees ambient, harsh ambient without an air conditioner, you can definitely compromise your AC set temperature to 27 degrees. This is what it is highlighted here. By setting your air conditioner at 27 degrees, definitely it is only a mindset. For a day or two, automatically your body, our human body gets adjusted, because thanks to the air circulation by the BLDC fan in and around the body, definitely we are not compromising anything. We are only adjusting our mindset, and our mindset will definitely accept this 27 degrees. And definitely you can see around 30% of energy savings in your AC, split AC. Millions of air conditioners are running in each city, town and villages. If 30% of energy reduction is achieved in each of the individual million air conditioners running today, first individually our electricity bill or your electricity bill comes down by 1000 rupees in your single AC usage as such. And your town or electricity or the city or the electrical distribution also, it can safely handle with 30% of less loading on your, because of air conditioning, less usage as such. It is a benefit to the nation, and we are not only conserving for the individual electricity, 1 unit of electricity what you are saving at our consumer end, it is almost, we say it's around 2 units of generated units is getting saved. So the energy saving instantly fights the climate change globally, and it reduces the carbon emission also. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.